Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, trip odometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.